little artists. Today, we're going to draw something really amazing, the Taj Mahal. It's one of the most beautiful buildings in the world. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So, grab your black marker and let's start drawing. First, let's draw the big dome in the center. Start with a curved shape like a rainbow. Then, add a little pointy top with a tiny circle. Looks great! Now, let's draw the main building under the dome. Draw a big rectangle with curved sides. This will be the main part of the Taj Mahal. Next, let's add two smaller domes on both sides. Draw two curved shapes with tiny tops. These make the Taj Mahal look even more magical.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's draw the beautiful doors and windows. Add a big arched door in the middle and small windows on the sides. Our Taj Mahal is looking amazing. Nice job! Now, let's make the outlines bold and sharp so our drawing pops out. Whoa! It looks awesome, doesn't it? Now, it's time for the most fun part, coloring. Let's use rainbow colors to make our Taj Mahal look bright and colorful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome! Look at our colorful Taj Mahal. It looks so beautiful. Great job, little artists. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring the Taj Mahal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.